How to log out Paxful account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log out of your Paxful account. Paxful is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency marketplace that connects buyers and sellers of Bitcoin and other cryptos. Now if you want to log out from your Paxful account, you will need to follow this step. First of all, you will need to open your Paxful application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. You will be asked to enter your PIN to access your account. Enter your PIN, and once you enter your correct PIN, you will be able to access your Paxful account. Once doing that, you will land on this homepage. Here locate the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the page. Once you find it, tap on it to open it. Once you do that, you will reach to the account section. Here you will need to scroll down till the very bottom until you see this sign out option. It is similar to log out. Now you just simply have to tap on the sign out button at the very bottom and wait for a while. After that, you will be logged out of your Paxful account. Now whenever you want to log into your Paxful account, you will need to tap on the sign in button at the left bottom to access your account. So by following these steps, you should be able to log out from your Paxful account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.